Good morning, everyone. Welcome back in online social science classroom. Today in the classroom, we will discuss chapter 13, India and its neighbor. After the reading of this chapter, the student will be able to enhance their knowledge about India and its neighboring country. He will also able to distinguish between similarity and differences of Indian culture, food, language and dresses with its neighboring country. He will also able to understand why SAARC and the policy of peace was adopted by India. According to the location of world map, India is located in the southeast direction. If I will talk about the India and its neighboring country, Pakistan, that is located in the northwest. China, Nepal and Bhutan, these are in the north. And Myanmar, Bangladesh is located in the east. The island of Sri Lanka is our southern neighbor in the sea. Maldives is the another neighboring country of India, is located near to Arabian Sea in the Indian Ocean. You all are aware, India has always followed a path of peace. History proves that India has never attacked on any country for gaining its territory or area. We always maintain friendly relations with our neighboring as well as faraway countries. We believe in solving mutual differences through peaceful means. This policy has always helped us to share cultural and trade relations with our neighbors since ancient times. The policy of not to attack on any country to get power or victory is non-alignment policy of India. India is also a part of group SAARC, that means South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, that works for the economic and political organization of 8 neighboring countries that are located in the South Asia. They all are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and India included in it. All these countries work together to bring economic and political development in their countries. This group is known as SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. The two neighboring countries, India and Pakistan's main language is Hindi and Urdu. Both are evolved from Sanskrit. But in the differences, they are written in a different pattern and different script. Hence, it proves that while we are living in different countries, but we are same in some manners of culture, language, food and dresses. If we have similarity in some words of languages, then we have also differences in our thought, ideas and feelings. The other neighboring country, Nepal, has also some similarities in food and dresses with India. The traditional Nepali meal consists of dal, bhat and terkari. Similar food is also served in many Indian households. The only difference in the Nepali food is much less spicy than Indian food. The rest of Nepal is influenced by Tibetan and Chinese cuisine. The non-vegetarian cuisine of India, Pakistan and Bangladesh is also similar. The kebabs are all-time favorite with everyone. Dosa, that is a South Indian dish, is also an important part of Sri Lankan cuisine. Chinese food is also very popular all over the India, but it's very different from Chinese food. That is in China. We make it in our spices and Indian taste. Important thing, If we will talk about the similarity of dresses with our neighbors, then we will find a great similarity in dresses of men and women that are in India and its neighboring country. Sari and salwar kameez are the traditional dresses in both India and Pakistan. Sari is also worn in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. However, the traditional style of wearing a sari is quite different in most countries. Mekhla chadar of northeast India is also similar to with the dress of Nepal, Myanmar and China. The another traditional dress that is worn in Ladakh and Bhutan is also similar to Hanfu of China. The men in both India and Nepal they love to wear kurta pajama or shirt coat with pajama. Muslims in many parts of India wear salwar kameez known as Pathani suit, which is the traditional dress of Pakistani men. But the modern generation has removed all differences and has uniformly adopted jeans and t shirt. The similarity in the language, food, and dress that we share with our neighboring countries highlight our cultural bond and act as a unifying bond even in the face of differences. Thank you.